Hello! In this video, we intend to fund the Olymp Trade broker account using Skrill. We log into the Olymp Trade broker account and select the payment section. In this section, we choose the deposit option. To select the method, as you can see, the Skrill option is available. However, if this method is not available in this section, you can choose this option to select Skrill from the payment system options. After that, you click on the next option. You can also select the amount you want to fund your account at the top. And after selecting the amount, if you want to fund your account with a promo code, select the promo code section. Enter the promo code in this section. As you can see, it is clear that you intend to fund $20 using Skrill. And after reviewing this section, select the Confirm option. Alright, we are entering the Skrill payment page. We intend to pay $20 and we click on the Pay Now option. To proceed with the transaction, we select the Confirm option. To complete this transaction, you can choose to receive the code via your phone number or your email address. After selecting the next option, we click on it. We simply enter the code and just click on the Pay option. Alright, as you can see, the deposit has been successfully completed. We have completed the deposit. To return to the cabinet and the trail section, click on the Close option. As you can clearly see, the account balance has increased. Also, in the Payment section, in the Transaction section, you can see that the $20 deposit was made via Skrill. In other videos, we will discuss other methods, funding and withdrawing from the Olymp Trade broker together. Good luck. Good luck!